Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily get back Siri Classic in macOS 27 Golden Gate on your Mac. Apple has introduced a refreshed Siri experience in macOS 27 Golden Gate, complete with deeper AI integration and smarter responses. However, not everyone prefers the new interface or AI-powered interactions. If you miss the familiar Siri design and behavior, Apple lets you switch back to Siri Classic on supported Macs. So whether you prefer a simpler interface, consistent voice responses, or just want a more familiar experience, reverting to Siri Classic takes only a few moments. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac, and then you have to choose the Screen Time option in the left sidebar. After that, you have to choose Content and Privacy option. Then select Siri. Then you have to click on the drop-down menu located right next to Siri and then choose Siri Classic. In the end, make sure to click on the Done button to confirm the action, and that's all there is to it. Switching back to Siri Classic in macOS 27 Golden Gate is a quick way to enjoy the familiar Siri experience while still benefiting from the latest macOS improvements. If you ever decide to try the newer AI-powered Siri again, you can easily switch back by revisiting the same settings. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.